What's up, guys? My dad just ordered me this Rubik's package, and he got this for me. So I just wanted to say this is an unboxing of some Rubik's cubes. So yeah, so it's this set. So let's see what's in here. Let's see this. So this is a nice box. This came early. My dad said it came on January 10th, and it's the 7th. So yeah, I got tons of Rubik's Cubes, which I'm excited for. Okay, first off, we got the 2x2. So here's the 2x2. And I got this one because I got this entire pack. So let's test this out. So on the internet, this is basically the hardest cube. This feels very nice. Yeah. I'd say this is pretty nice. Moving on to this one. It's the mirror block 2x2. So let's check this out. This is the mirror block 3x3 actually. Sorry about that. So let's see if this. That's nice. This is very awesome. So I'll give this one a thumbs up. Plus it's very complex. It's crazy. It's nice. Okay, next one. Let's see. Okay, next one is the Mega Mix. So this is the Mega Mix. It looks very complex, but it's very crazy. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah. This one's actually very, very nice. So that one is very, very nice and very, very cool. Now we got the mini Rubik's Cube. Let's check this one out. Oh, that's very cute. So this is very nice. Yeah. It's very easy for small Rubik's Cube. That's actually very, very small. It's like one of the corners of the 2x2. I would say give that one a double thumbs up because it's very nice and it's very small, which is very cool. And now we got the normal, very first Rubik's Cube. The original Rubik's Cube. Nice. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. So I'll give this one a thumbs up. Very, very nice. So now we got the 4x4, which is crazy. There's a 4x4. This is very, very complex. It's very nice. It's nice. It's nice, so give that one a very big yes. Here's the Scoob, I'm pretty sure. Ugh. Yeah, that's very complex. What? So that's awesome. So give that one a thumbs up. Can't twist the corners, so you can't cheat. That one is awesome. Now, what is this? Oh, this one's the, I'm pretty sure, pendulum? Or no? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's actually very, very weird. That's crazy. What? Whoa. That's actually very, very weird, but crazy cool. And now we got the pyramid. Yeah. That's nice. It's very nice. Can like do a pattern. That's very, very nice. And everybody, I'm pretty sure that is all of the Rubik's Cubes that was in this package. Here's all of them. I'm pretty sure that was all of them. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, that was all of them. And that's very, very nice.
What you got? Oh, man.
So.
You don't want to leave them in their boxes?
So, here's all of them stacked up. So, I think these are pretty good. So, see you later, guys.